whispered stories like a blade in my mind, scars that echoed from another time. You took my secret, made it your brand. Now I'm lost in the ruins of our quicksand. You lit the fire, then left me burn. A cult of shadows, a lesson unlearned. Carved my pain as your twisted creed. Now I'm bleeding truths you'll never read. The past I buried you turned into gold. A tender heart you shattered and sold. You pointed fingers while wearing my skin, made my demons yours to pin. You lit the fire, then left me burned. A cult of shadows, a lesson unlearned. Carved my pain as your twisted creed. Now I'm bleeding truths you'll never read. In your worship I once kneeled, blinded by faith, wounds unsealed. Freedom calls, but the echoes linger, pointing at me with a jagged finger. From the ashes I rise, skin still raw, tearing down the weight of all I saw. Your temple crumbles, lies in the breeze. The justice I carry is the only